My boyfriend Asan and I have been together for 3 years. Our relationship is quite harmonious, although there are small differences of opinions that sometimes arise. Whenever I feel confused or annoyed, I always confide in my best friend Anya. She always listens patiently and provides with advice. One day when I was confiding in Anya about a small problem I was having with Asan, I did realize that my confiding in was slowly opening a gap for Anya to enter. I told him everything from trivial things to more serious problems. Anya was always there, giving me the support and understanding I needed. However, without me realizing it, Anya started operating as a secretary. He would often talk to her, pretending he wanted to know more about our relationship. Asan, who, who felt that Anya was my good friend, did have the suspicion he doubted Anya just wanted to help us both. As the progress, I feel something strange as I start to stay away from me often. He spent more time with Anya. My heart began to fill with suspicion, but I tried to brush it off. I thought they were just friends like me and Anya. Until one day I accidentally saw a message in Asan Kelpot. That broke my heart. The message was from Anya, and its contents were full one's expression of love. I felt betrayed by the two people I cherish most. Anya, my friend who always listened to my story, appeared used all the information to win Asan heart. I confronted Anya asking what the meaning of all this was. He just smiled and sighed. I know your weakness from your story. I know how to make Asan happier. Pain the anger mixed in my heart. Finally, I decided to end the relationship with Asan and cut off all contact with Anya. This experience taught me to more careful in sharing personal story. Even with people I consider to be friends, sometimes the people we trust can be the ones who do the most harm. The day after breaking up with Asan, were really hurt. I tried to distance myself from the memory that always haunted me. Forgetting someone who was once so close is not easy, especially now that he is now with someone I once completely trusted. I started spending more time alone, trying to restore the self I lost amid broken relationship. And that solitude, I discovered many things that had been neglected. I started to pursue for good hobbies such as reading and sailing. Every day, I try to keep myself busy with positive things so as not to drown in sadness. A few months later, I met Ames, a Kurt Walk had just moved to our city. Ames is a careful and eccentric person. He always carried a positive aura around him. At first, I just thought they were ordinary friends, but over time, we got close. Ames never asked too much about my past, and that made me feel comfortable with him. I can be myself without having to present or hide my feelings. One day he asked me to have a serious talk. I know there is something wrong in your past, but I believe everyone deserves a second chance to be happy. He said, looking into my eyes sincerely. His word touched me. I started to open up and tell everything that happened between me, Asan, and Anya. I must listen attention without judgment. You have been taught a lot, but the important thing is you have risen and found yourself again, he said with a smile. Our relationship developed into more than just friends. Amis taught me that not everyone will be there or that there are good people who will always be there and support, even the most difficult times. A year later, Amis and I were offered a couple. With him, I found the happiness I had been looking for. I learned from every betrayal and wound. There is always opportunity to rise and find a better love. Now, I realize that Anya and Asan are just part of lifelong journey that taught me many things. They taught me to be more interesting to others, but also remain to open new opportunities that can bring happiness. After going through the story with Asan and Anya, I think that fate has taught me all the lessons there are about betrayal and trust. However, life has an unexpected way of testing our lesson of and strengths. With Ames, I feel I have fought the happiness I have been looking at for our relationship is getting started very day, and I am sure that he is the right person for me. However, that happiness was just when I found out that Ames had cheated on me. At first, I did best life it. How could someone who love and respect me so much do something like that? However, irritable and then began to appear before my eyes, and I had to face the hard reality. Just like before, pain and decision with my heart again. I felt decided and didn't know that what to do. How can I trust someone again after being disappointed twice? However, I don't want to seek intercede and hurt. I know that I had to move forward. Even I step felt too hard, I decided to talk Ames to her the reason behind his action. Ames admit is making securely a side that behavior trapped in difficult situation and took the wrong way out by having an affair. He apologized for everything that had happened and was willing to try to make things right. Even though my head is still full of hurt, I feel there is a force pushing me to give it a second chance. I believe that everyone deserves the opportunity to correct their mistake, including Ames. We agreed to start again, building thoughts from the beginning. The process was easy, but we were both committed to doing it. We tried to be more open and honest with each other, and it makes our relationship strong. Through this experience, I learned that sometimes life parents defeat the real to test our strength even in love. However, with commitment and hard work, we can overcome all obstacles and become strong at the point. I believe every betrayal brings forward lesson as long as we are willing to learn and move forward. We agreed to start again building church from the beginning. The process was easy, but we were both committed to doing it very try, be more open and host with each other, and it makes our relationship strong. Through this experience, I learned that sometimes life presents defeats trial to test our strength and love. However, with commitment and hard work, we can overcome our obstacles and become strong. At the point, I believe every betrayal brings a firm lesson. As long we are willing to learn and move forward. After working hard to repair our relationship, I believe I miss a person notice a second signs. We work hard to repair trust and fight our problem together. However, fate had other plans for us. One day when I come home early from work, I found Ames and Anya in a surprise set. They both looked surprised when they saw me. Without words, I immediately realized that betrayal had come back to haunt my life. Amis and Anya can hide the truth any longer. They admit that they had been having an affair for a long time. Even before previous event occurred, they give the same reason, feeling trapped in devastation and taking the wrong way out by having an affair. I feel that this betrayal hurt more than ever. I feel stupid for giving Amis a second chance only to be let down again. Anya, my best friend, who had lived with me before, is now also involved in the betrayal. Without saying anything. I left the two of them. I don't know what to do. My heart and mind are instead of darkness. I feel like I can't trust anyone anymore. Everything I believe in has hurt me. That incident changed my life forever. I learned that not all betrayal have a silver lining. Sometimes people make the same mistake again. When so the have been give, given the opportunity to correct them, I learned to be more careful in trusting others, and that not all stories have happy ending.